Hello, everyone. Welcome to this orientation and thank you for watching me. So, today I'm going to start with the two most important points. First, how can you become a fluent speaker? And why should you choose my course and trust me to guide you? You have tried before, but something didn't work. Let's fix that today. For that, let's be real and face the current situation. So, the current situation is you studied English for 7 to 10 years in school. You learned grammar, definitions, word lists, and gave exams. You probably even scored well. But if I asked you to speak fluently with confidence, do you freeze? That is the problem. Marks don't equal fluency, memorization doesn't build your confidence. And we were taught what English is, but not how to use it. So, what to do then? Just think for once how you learned your mother tongue. Did anyone teach you the definitions of nouns and pronouns? Absolutely not. You learned by listening, copying, and using. But in English, we did the opposite. We memorized, studied for tests, but never practiced daily usage. Result, you know what present perfect is, but you cannot form a sentence on the spot while speaking. It's time to flip the method, the practical approach, the new way. In my course, we follow the natural way of learning. You don't memorize grammar, you learn to form sentences, you use those sentences daily, and this is what we call practical grammar. This is the grammar which helps you speak, not just write definitions. What is practical grammar then? Okay, let me tell you. Let me give you an example. If I say, I'm going, and I can make you understand in two ways. Either I give you the definition of tense used for the sentence and the part and the definition, or else I can let you know the use and where to. So the thing is, by time you will be able to make changes in sentences based on time and person. Okay? It's very simple. So now the next point is vocabulary. People often come to me and say, Sir, मुझे English बोलनी है पर vocabulary कम है. But let me ask you, do you really need 1 lakh words to speak fluently? No, not at all. You just need 3,000 to 5,000 words only. Just the useful ones. Words like go, eat, try, help, think, need. And the best part is you will get these words naturally by using daily sentences. No mugging, no pressure. So, let me give you again the Hindi example. We memorized Prayayavaji Shab. Do you still remember all those? Absolutely not. Like me. Why? Because we never use them. But you still remember pani, roti, chai because you have used them every day. Same applies in English. Use the word and it will stay with you forever. Got it? And then again a question comes, how vocabulary will come naturally, sir? So every class you will receive during your course, I'll give you some practical sentences, some useful words. You will use them in your real life. Day by day, your vocabulary will grow. And you will start recognizing words in movies, books, and conversation. And it's a natural process, no memorization. And some other thing as well, I will give you homework, not boring writing work. Okay, I'll give you some sentences to practice. And it happens actually if we get bored after listening homework. I will not bore you. I'll give you tasks that blend into your life because fluency builds with real life use, not with a pen or a notebook. Got it? Oh. And also, fluency is not just about speaking, it's about being understood as well. So, in that also, I'll help you with the pronunciation part. Okay, so is anything else I can help you with? Let's move ahead then. So, we will fix our problem together. Okay. But as I know you all are result oriented people, so let's talk about results. If you follow my method, you will start thinking in English. You will speak without fear. You won't need to translate in your head. You will go from मैं बोलने की कोशिश करता हूँ to I speak confidently. Fluency is not magic. It's a system. It's a habit. And you know why to choose my class. Okay. Because I'm not here to sell you a grammar book or a dictionary. Got it? I'm here to give you a working system. Only the useful stuff, a habit, building routine, practical guidance, and real results. You will see and feel the difference within weeks. Okay? So now it's about the reality check. Tell me if you speak Hindi for 6 hours a day and English for only 15 minutes, which language will you get better at? I'm not asking you to leave Hindi, but if you want to speak in English fluently, you must live with it daily. Make it part of your lifestyle and implement as much as possible, man. Final words of mine. It's your turn now. Okay? Everything you need to speak fluent English is here. A clear path, simple methods, daily practice. Now the choice is yours. Will you wait another year hoping to improve, or will you start now and speak fluently within months? I'm ready to guide you. Are you ready? Okay. So enroll today. Speak English fluently like anything and live confidently. Okay, dear. Thank you.